Hi everybody, my name is Celeste Greene and I'm a certified laughter yoga teacher, and today we are going to laugh on purpose because it feels good and because laughter is so good for us. So I want to invite you to join in and laugh along with me, and allow yourself to just let go and be playful and have a good time, and your laughter will become real and contagious, all right? So we're going to start off with a little sending and receiving laughter. So what you do is you put these antennae on your head, and sometimes you send laughter and other times you receive laughter, all while laughing, all right? Ready, go. And say this with me. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Two more. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Last one. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. And yay. Fantastic. Let's take a nice deep breath in and stretch up overhead. Breathe in and release. Let's enjoy that again. Breathe in, stretch, and release. This next time we're just gonna laugh on the way down. Breathe in, stretch up, just laughing. Wonderful. This next one is called hugging laughter. We're just gonna hug ourselves, give ourselves a great pat on the back. We're wonderful people, all while laughing, all right? Hugging laughter, ready, go. And very good, very good. Yay! Just say that again with me, please. Very good, very good. Yay! Fantastic, everybody. Sometimes, I gotta be honest, you gotta laugh or you will cry. So this is called crying laughter. What we're gonna do is we're gonna boo hoo hoo on the way down, and we're gonna laugh on the way up, and just alternate between the two, all right? Crying laughter, ready, go. One more time. And say this with me. Very good, very good. Yay. Let's do that again. Very good, very good. Yay. Just sigh out. Good deep breath in, breathe in. And release. One more time, breathe in, stretch up. And release. Very nice. Very nice. This next one is called mental floss. So we're going to clean out our mind all while laughing. So what you do is you get this piece of mental floss and you string it throughout your head all while laughing. All right? Ready, go. And very good, very good. Yay. Let's Let's do that again. Very good, very good. Yay. We are all set for a beautiful day. Thank you for laughing, friends, and keep the laughter going, all right? Bye-bye now.